I tested and reviewed the top 5 best air fryers in 2024, providing you with comprehensive insights into their performance, design, and overall value. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL stands out with its impressive cooking capacity of 5.5 quarts, making it ideal for families or gatherings. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a standout addition to any kitchen. We were particularly impressed by its wide temperature range, reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows for versatile cooking options, from crispy fries to juicy chicken wings. The inclusion of a dehydrate function adds to its versatility, enabling users to create homemade snacks like dried fruits or jerky with ease. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to its dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate, saving valuable time in the kitchen. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook. Instant Pot has been a household name in the realm of kitchen appliances, and the Vortex Plus Clear Cook lives up to the brand's reputation for innovation and quality. With its transparent lid, users can monitor the cooking process without the need to open the fryer, ensuring consistent results every time. The Vortex Plus Clear Cook offers 6 cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, providing versatility for various recipes. Its compact design makes it suitable for smaller kitchens or countertops with limited space without compromising on cooking performance. Number 3. Dash Compact Air Fryer. For those seeking a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality, the Dash Compact Air Fryer is an excellent choice. Despite its compact size, this air fryer delivers consistent and crispy results, perfect for singles or small families. Its intuitive dial control system makes it easy to set the desired temperature and cooking time, simplifying the cooking process for beginners. The auto shutoff feature provides peace of mind, preventing overcooking or burning of food, while the non-stick fryer basket ensures effortless cleanup. Number 4. Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven. Blurring the lines between an air fryer and a toaster oven, the Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven offers multifunctionality for versatile cooking options. With its spacious interior and convection cooking technology, this appliance can accommodate larger batches of food while ensuring even cooking throughout. Users can choose from various preset functions, including air fry, bake, broil, toast, and convection bake, catering to a wide range of culinary needs. Its elegant stainless steel design adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen decor, making it a stylish yet functional addition to your countertop. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate. Combining the functionalities of a pressure cooker and an air fryer, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate offers unparalleled versatility in the kitchen. With 11-in-1 functionality, including pressure cook, air fry, bake, roast, broil, and more, this appliance streamlines meal preparation, saving both time and counter space. The inclusion of a crisping lid ensures that dishes are not only cooked to perfection, but also achieve a crispy exterior, mimicking the texture of deep-fried foods. Its large capacity makes it suitable for batch cooking or preparing meals for larger gatherings, making it a convenient option for busy households.